Hey guys, it's your girl Najamli, and I hope you had a wonderful day. Today, you are back with me for a 2-card general intuitive reading. I utilize my third eye, okay? And this reading is going to be for Friday, February 22nd. Friday, February 22nd. So let's get out my cards. I'm using the Divine Tarots today. Yeah. So I just got in not too long ago. It's been one of those long days, and I bet you've had yours too. But also it was a nice day today. It was nice and sunny, and I can't complain. I like when the sun is out and it feels close to the earth, where I can feel the heat a little bit. And that's what happened today. Anyway, let's get into it. So if you haven't signed up for my workshop, I don't know what you're waiting for, but go sign up today. The link is below. And this workshop is super cool because I am dealing with meditation and how to meditate simple, and we're going to be discussing some insights and some secrets from some of the top masters of the world. And there are several masters of the world that's been teaching meditation, mindfulness, and things of that nature. And when it comes to spiritual walk, and one of them I'll share with you is the Buddha. And when the Buddha came around, he was a prince. And he was born into luxury, born into a striving kingdom, born into a family that had everything. They had nothing to want for. And I'm going to go more into it in the workshop. But I'm so grateful for his discoveries, which we are using today. Anyways, so you guys have to do this, because the thing about this workshop is about getting you to meditate on a daily basis, understanding your walk, especially if you are a seeker or on a spiritual journey. And if you don't meditate or even do anything of mindfulness, then you have to ask yourself, what are you doing? You have to ask yourself, what is it that you're trying to achieve? You know, because it's all about truly understanding your blueprint, understanding why you're here, understanding who you are, understanding your mind, understanding there's so many things I can go into. So to learn more, because I'm going to be going really deep in this workshop, it's going to be about an hour and a half. And there's a big takeaway from this, and well, several, and it's not going to cost you thousands of dollars. In fact, not even hundreds. So go check it out. Click the link below. Register today. Save your spot, because space is limited. All right. What else? This weekend, not Friday, this weekend, it will be episode 7 of the NLHT show. And if you missed last week, you better go check out last week's show, because we spoke about what is a guru. And that was pretty awesome. I had a great time with that one. What is a guru? If you don't know what a guru is, go check it out. Click that link below, which describes everything about a guru. All right, so let's take a deep breath in. Let's set our intentions. This reading is for Friday, 22nd, 2019. Friday, 22nd, 2019. I call in my guides. I call in my higher self. I ask you to please deliver to me the information I need to know for this reading, and also that I deliver it to those who need to hear it the way you want me to. Allow me to see through my third eye clearly, and translate the information as clear as possible. Thank you. A lot of jumpy energy. Okay, let's try it again. Friday, February 22nd. Friday, oops, it dropped out. February 22nd. I don't know what it is. So we're gonna look. I don't know now. Nowadays, it's like these cards are just coming out themselves. All right, let's see what this card is. Ooh. Here we go. I'm going to take a look at that. See what it pertains to. Ooh. We got the 7 of coins. Good, good, good. And we got the High Priestess. All right. So, things are in the making, guys. Things are in the making. 7-11. 7-11 is how I look at it. 7-11. But it's a 2. Okay. So, let's get into it. Shall we? Shall we? 7 of coins is all about you have been working, y'all. Working. You have been out there. You've been putting in the work. You've been focused. And you're quite impressed by what's been developing and what's coming through, what's been manifesting. And you have this optimism. Even though nothing is in your bucket yet, it is in fruition. It is manifesting. It's coming. You can see it. You can almost taste it. Look at the field, the crops, the wheat. There's a lot of stuff coming through. A lot of seeds that you've planted are coming through. And you got a smile on your face like, You guys been working. You've been putting in the work for yourself. And you see that it's about to pop. The High Priestess. I like this photo of the High Priestess. You got the owl, a lot of wisdom, knowledge, a lot of study going on, a lot of inward study. This, to me, is your higher self. The High Priestess, higher self, knowledge, acquiring study, acquiring information, learning about oneself. It goes hand in hand because this is giving you opportunity to do this. To go within and study and really research because you have something flowing that's not stressing you out. It's starting to come through and you're able to put in the work simultaneously on the inside with yourself. Acquiring the knowledge, acquiring that information that is needed. The fruit of what you're acquiring is helping with this. They both go hand in hand. 7-11, 9, right? Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep going. All right? Keep going. But do not allow anyone to come and trip you over, take you off your focus, take you off your grind, or anything of that nature. Keep transformation. Keep it going. Continue planting more seeds and more seeds. That is what you're supposed to do while you're waiting for the crops to come in. It's about to fall into the bucket. It's about to fall into... It's about to come, about to pick. It's about to pick. Okay? That's my reading for you guys today. If you'd like a personal reading with me, do not hesitate. Click that link below, which will take you over, and you can choose a 55-minute reading, 45-minute reading, and a 25-minute reading. They're all personal and they're full-on readings. It's more than a 2-card reading, of course. This is just general with my third eye. And so book that now. And also please sign up for the meditation workshop. Get that going in your life. Meditation is the key to a whole lot of unlocking doors. And so let's get on that, okay? And also, I will see you on the radio show this weekend, all right? NLHT on anchor.fm/NLHT. And what else? And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great night.